The boys made it over. Jimmy with the Supra and Dan with his dad's 4Runner today.
Yoda getting.
Hey, how is it driving in that thing?
It's smooth as hell.
Time to trade? What? Jimmy, say hi.
No.
In one of my last videos, we unboxed a couple different car parts, and today we're gonna get on the door strap. Shout out to 77 Performance. 777 Performance, Chase and Matt, thank you so much for sending these door straps. I'm super excited to get them in. One of my dream cars is to own a GT3 RS one day. Obviously, out of my price range. For now, I'm gonna be building a poor man's GT3 RS and putting these door straps in so it feels like I'm driving a GT3 Supra. Dan, what do you think?
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
How much?
I don't know how much.
You watched Borat before?
No.
What? Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. How much?
Very nice.
Let's show them these door straps. These were 3D printed, and I know there are door straps out already, but I really like the look of how 777 did it. There's an install video on their webpage that I'll link down below. Super detailed install. Anybody can do this. It looks super easy. It shouldn't be hard at all. They 3D printed it, and it looks freaking OEM. It belongs there, and I'm super excited to get it on. We're gonna be replacing this OEM with this Porsche part right here, straight from Porsche. See, removing the door panel seems to be pretty easy. Underneath, let me show them real quick. You see that white thing right there? All you have to do is grab a wrench and turn it to where it lines up perfectly with the hole. We should be able to pop the shit off. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna grab a flathead and you're gonna go ahead and pop the plastic tray off. All right. There it is. And then you're gonna pull the door handle back and do the same thing and get that little tray off. Grab your 220 bit and then remove the screws. Okay, we're done. All right, after you remove the 3 screws and you'll unlatch the 2 bottom clips, you could go ahead and just pull it off. It's so easy. There you go. Aha! And then you just go ahead and disconnect all the cables. Okay, after you get the door card removed, you're gonna remove the 2 T20s right here. So remove these 2. This is gonna hold the door handle to the actual door. You're gonna need a 10mm drill bit, and there's gonna be 4 plastic welds that are holding in the door handle as well. Super easy, don't need to be afraid. You're just gonna grab the 10mm drill bit, and you're gonna drill off the plastic welds. And your door handle is off. All you have to do is push back this door, the lock clip and unlock clip. Easy peasy. And then you're gonna transfer it over to your new door strap. So when you put in the locking mechanism, make sure you put it in the right way. See how this is gonna line up? You don't want it to be upside down.
Obviously.
You wanna make sure
but
it goes in the correct orientation. Because it could go either way. There's gonna be 2 clips on each side that it's just gonna clip right into. Oh. Next, we're gonna go ahead and fit the new door handle through, and you wanna make sure you feed the strap in first. You're gonna be supplied new hardware, and there's gonna be 6 bolts or screws. I have physical proof that the Supra is not a BMW. Look, we have a Toyota part, the door card. Dude, it's a real Toyota! Everybody! Say haters!
Oh, but what's that?
Then you get the BMW everywhere else. But hey guys, you've seen it here first. It's a Toyota. So once you get the door handle back on, you're gonna wanna go, I don't know what this part's called, we're just gonna call this the door lock tensioner. You wanna pull it out of its curved mechanisms. Just twist and pull out, because you're gonna be linking up this tensioner to the door strap, which is gonna be able to unlock and lock your car. Well, unlock your car, not lock your car. Did you lose it?
Oh, you got more car parts.
How's it going?
Have a good one.
Thanks, you too! Guys, my New Balances came in. Hey, that means you probably got your shoe too!
Nah, mine got canceled.
Alright. Wow, we did it. Okay, let me see the pliers. So once you get the tensioner, whatever this is, inside, you want to go ahead and grab some pliers and pull up until you hear that click. That's how you know it's locked in. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect everything back on, and then we're gonna be good to go to test out the door handles. Ooh. Putting it on is pretty easy. You just wanna make sure this is through. And once you hear one snap, there you go. And then the bottom. All right, and then once you have all of them popped up, you just gotta go and twist this little knob to lock the door card back in, and you're done. And then after you smack the panel back on, you're gonna go ahead and put your T20 Torx bits back in. You're only gonna be using it for the tray here because the door handle won't have it. Before we do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and test if the door strap works. Let's hope we did it right, so. Test it a few times. Very nice. The door straps feel really good, guys. Holy crap, it looks so good. Could you see it from there?
Yep.
Go ahead and close and open it.
I see it now.
All right.
Yep.
Dude, it works like a charm. It looks so OEM too. Honestly, it looks like it should be there. Let me know what you guys think below. Should I have gotten yellow door straps? Because I wanted it to match with the KMP steering wheel at first, to have this yellow accent here and yellow accent here. But I decided to do silver because I wanted it to match the roll cage and the silver in the back of the seats. I now own a GT3 RS.
You need silver seat belts.
We're getting some harnesses soon. Oh, if there was somebody mean in my latest comment that called my car rice because I haven't tracked my car yet and I got all these mods on. And I just want to let you know, it really hurt my feelings.
You still got no
Hey, somebody comment that shit. That shit was funny as hell. Whoever you are, dude, just love everybody's build, man. I ain't hating on yours. Leave me alone.
Bonus clips.
Bonus clips. How did you guys like the bonus clips? Comment down below too. Should we keep doing them? That's all for the install. If you guys are interested in any 777 performance products, I think this is the only product out for the Supra right now, but in case you guys watch my channel and you don't own a Supra, they might make something for your car. So check out their webpage. These door straps are freaking high quality, 3D printed, and it fits like a glove. It fits so good. Holy snap, that's sick. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you guys so much. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Nice.
No energy from this guy.